everyone, my name is Kevin and welcome back to another RAMShard tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm just going to easily enable command blocks on your Minecraft Java Edition server. So starting out, you want to head to your control panel, and then click on the Files drop-down tab once you get into the control panel. Then click Config Files. Now once on the Config Files page, you should see an option named Server Settings. In the Server Settings, find the area that says Enable Command Blocks. Now once you find that box, you want to set that to True. After you do that, scroll down to the bottom and then click Save. Once the file is saved, go ahead and go back to the main page of your control panel, then find the Restart button. After you do that, click Restart. Once the server is booted back up, you can join your server and use command blocks. And that is how you easily get command blocks enabled on your Minecraft server. Thanks for watching.